Alright, how's it going, YouTube? I'm out with the Hpi Rs4 today. I did some changes after the last time y'all seen it in the race. You know, you always continue to mess with your cars, trying to make them faster. Cars always consistent, but just trying to make it faster, so I'm out here to mess with it. I haven't did a speed run in this in like a year or two. Simply the fact because I always run it for drag racing now, so I don't want to mess the car up for speed running it, and then I'm not able to drag race it. So anyway, I'm out right now just to test. I did some testing. I do got the GPS up there, and it is on 4S. This might be the last time y'all see this car looking like this. I'm going with a different body. I think I'm gonna keep the same color. The car made a name for itself with pinky, and they got a few names for it, but I'm gonna stay with the pink for now. It's known for pink. But we're gonna test out what I did to it. It's only on 4S, that's all I run it on. And we'll go from there. I want to just see it, make sure that the car is tuned and running right. Sorry about that, guys. I just want to make sure the car's running right, and then y'all gonna see it with the new body. So right now I'm gonna do a couple test hits, but I'll probably do a speed run first. Unfortunately, this receiver in here isn't the best, so when y'all see me race this car and I put my hand up, it could lose signal on me, even though I have a booster. So I'm gonna be cautious of how I'm running it today. I'm gonna just set the car up and put the GPS on, so stay tuned. All right, YouTube, so we're gonna go ahead and I did a 90 run. It was all over the place, so I'm like, let me start this over. Hopefully y'all seeing that. I'm gonna zero this out. Time is started. Alright, my GPS is almost dead, so hopefully it holds up. Can't go too far because I did lose signal just now. And I got the steering wheel turned down, so I can't even turn it around. Alright guys, we got it straightened up. Let me turn my steering back down. I'll be fighting it again. Alright, here we come. Got a car coming, I ain't even see him. Whew, I'm gonna just hold it right there. That was a hell of a pass though. Car sound nice and smooth too. See if I can hurry up and turn it around and bring it back to me. That was a nice pass, damn. Car got some big air for sure. Gotta fix the trim. I had to fight it out. Had to fight the car out. Coming down. 103. Drag gearing, that ain't bad. And I'm sure I could have held it some more. This is a second run with that. This is a 38. Everybody always asking. I'm telling you, I am not afraid to show my system, because that ain't what, it's my tune. But I got a 38, let me show you. It's a 4S battery. This is my drag gear, remind y'all. That's a 3800 castle motor in there. Everybody say, what motor you running in that thing? Motor's still nice and cool. For a 3800 castle motor on 4S with drag gear hitting 103, for it to be cool still, it's crazy. They underestimate these castle motors, but it did pretty good. I do have the Mamba Monster X in there, and this is a RS4. So I had a lot of questions on what kind of car this is and all that. And she's still ready to go get some drag hits in. She's still cool. The ESC, I have my fan consistently running, so it always keeps the ESC cool. I don't wait for the ESC to come on. I mean the fan to come on when the ESC warm up. I'm automatically cooling it right now. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. Dude came mad close to me, so I middle fingered me, act like he wanted to stop. But anyway, sorry about that, guys. You know, I'm out here for the fun anyway. But like I was saying, 4S battery, 3800 castle, a little quick 103. Let me show y'all the GPS again for it die. Now I'm gonna just get some test pulls in, so y'all just wait for that. But that's 103. Try to take that GPS up out of there. Anyway, that's 103, y'all, on 4S. I think my PB with this car, is 119. It's my PB in general. The fastest I went was with this car. And just messing around with it. And it was on 4S, so 119. I can still play with this car and make it a little bit faster. It's running cool, and I'm liking that. So let's get some drag hits in and see how it does then. Alright, YouTube, sorry about the babbling. We're gonna get probably 1 or 2 test hits in real quick. And we're gonna call it a wrap for today. I'm gonna get 1 more and I'm gonna call it a wrap. Got a car coming. Let him pass. Sound like something rubbing, so I'm gonna figure that out. A truck coming. I'm gonna pause it and then restart it. All right, too. Let's get another test hit in. See what she do. I think she got 1 more in her actually. I like that hit, boy. Rs4 ain't no joke. I don't think this Rs4 happened overnight. I think I had this car for about 3-4 years now. So I've been working on it consistently. And right now I could tell you that the foams I got on there is hopping. So I need to change them if I was to run on this turf right here. I would either have to go with soft or harder. Right now I got a mix. I got soft in the front, hard in the back. And I'm thinking that the soft is what's causing it to jump because it's biting too much. But that was just a quick tip. Anyway, let me go ahead and get this last test hit in, and I'm gonna call it a wrap, guys. System should be nice and cool. ESC is not even giving me no alert yet that it's hot, so system's running cool. Make sure this thing ready. They say they coming for it, so I got to make sure she on point. All right, hold on, guys. All right, sorry about that. I thought I had a car behind me. Let me go ahead and get this last hit in. All right, I'm gonna call it a wrap. She did good. Can't complain. I ain't got no complaints with the Rs4, baby. All right, next thing is I'm gonna have to get it on the tree because I need to see if my adjustments that I put on here really work. So I'm gonna put it on the tree and see what really happens. Yeah, I'm gonna put it on the tree and see what really happens because that's what's gonna really determine if everything that I did to it worked. I was already running like 1.9, 1.8 with it. So I'm hoping to get it faster without changing any gear, and I was just playing with the ESC settings. So, all right, guys, sorry for all the babbling. Y'all stay tuned for more. Thanks for tuning in.